I got some crusty wheels, and this car's a good deal, okay? But these, I can't sit here and drive around with steelies on my Miata. I need new ones. What we decided to do was go out and find one of the nicest, comparatively. I think it's, for me, my favorite kind of like what I'm going for, you know. The wheel that I got is in between track, in between daily use, and it's lightweight, super, it looks good, and lots of people use them. Alright, we decided to go with the Enkei RPF1s. It's a very common wheel, but I mean, they're good. There's a reason we went with you know, something like 6 pounds or something like that. Old Steelies were actually 18, so this is a massive difference. They look really good. I think I love the chrome, I love the silver. Like, I think I would pick these over like black ones or bronze. It's, you know, trusted company, so you know what you're getting. You know, they're strong, reliable, made with the roll floor method. Overall, they're just a good set of wheels to put. They don't come with center caps, so you know there's going to be a little bit of showing. But so these are the 7 inches 15 diameter. The previous ones were, my previous wheels were actually 5.5 inches, so this is an 1.5 inches bigger, so that should give us more grip. These aren't too big to be rubbing under the wheel, so these should be perfect. For offset, we went with 42s, and what that basically is, this right here, the center hub, let's say 0 would be in the middle, 42, positive 42 would be out here, so that's around like 42 positive. If it's negative, it's this way. That basically just tells you how deep in the car it's gonna sit in the wheel well. Yeah, these look sick. I'm super happy with them. Actually, I picked them up a couple days ago from a guy, and he actually had them on his Honda Kia. Wait, probably cut that out. Wait, no. Yo, what's up? Okay, guys, we're heading out right now. We're gonna go to some guy's house. He's like 10 minutes away, so really nice actually. We're gonna go pick up these wheels, RPF1s. These should be clean. Lowball him a little bit. And there's David and Eric behind us. Philip, they're coming with us as well. Because we don't have any room in the car to actually put the wheels. So they gotta come, you know, hold them for us, but you know, it should be fun. Super clean, brought it down in price. So he wanted 600, we got it 450, so I'm happy with that. These guys are, so got them a couple days, picked them up from a guy. The day he bought them, he spray painted, he plastic dipped them black. So they're actually really nice condition. He hasn't, you know, taken them off once. He said they're a couple years old, but they look really good. They have some road rash on, you know, this has a little bit right here, but the tires kind of, I mean, they're okay. So I got the whole set for $450. These came with tires that are pretty dead, I'll be honest. They're pretty, there's not much tread left. But yeah, here they are. Yes! Wait. I told you this wasn't a waste of money. I honestly truly love these so much. I think they look so sick, but I like how it's not too much spokes and how I just think they look so sick. I'm so excited. You ready? You want to ride? You guys are having fun.
Look, they're camping.
Let's go join them, dude. Stick at me.
Okay, 0 to 60, ready? Oh man. That wasn't 0 to 60, but whatever.
Fastest 0 to 60 I've done.